For years I struggled with mood swings, fatigue, and those frustrating irregular cycles. It felt like my body was constantly out of sync. Then I discovered how traditional Chinese medicine views these as signs of liver qi stagnation. In TCM, your liver qi is like a flowing river that carries your energy smoothly through your body. When that river gets blocked or clogged, everything downstream, like your hormones, gets disrupted. Think of it like your body's natural detox system slowing down, causing hormonal imbalances. One simple practice I love is gentle acupressure on the liver. 3-point, located between your big toe and second toe. Press and hold for a minute or two daily to help unblock that qi flow. Also, sipping on dandelion tea supports your liver's detox pathways naturally. If you're feeling overwhelmed with mood swings or fatigue, try this today. I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gentle wisdom on women's hormone health. Take care of yourself, dear friends.